In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide data with checkboxes in Google Sheets. This is a nifty trick that can help you manage your data more effectively by dynamically displaying or hiding information based on the selection of a checkbox. Let's dive in and explore this step by step. To begin, open up your Google Sheet. If you don't have one ready, you can easily create a new one by navigating to Google Sheets and selecting the blank spreadsheet option. Once your sheet is open, we're ready to get started with our data manipulation. First, select a cell where you plan to implement the checkbox. For our demonstration, click on cell B3. This cell will eventually contain a checkbox to toggle data visibility. In the next step, we need to set up a formula that will help hide or display data based on the checkbox selection. So, navigate over to cell C3, and here's where the magic happens. In this cell, type in the formula ECF B3 True 5. What this does is check whether the checkbox in cell B3 is selected. If it is, the number 45 will appear in cell C3. If not, the cell will remain empty. Once you've entered the formula, press the Enter key to apply it. Now, let's add that checkbox. Click on the cell B3 again and go to the Insert menu found in the top navigation bar. From the drop-down menu, choose Checkbox. This action will insert a checkbox into your selected cell. Now, when you check or uncheck the box, it triggers the formula you entered previously, and the value in C3 will appear or disappear accordingly. To further your understanding and practice, repeat these steps for another cell in your sheet. Let's move to B4 and C4. Click into C4 and type the formula ECF B4 True High, and hit Enter again. You'll see it's structured similarly to our earlier formula, but with different content. Click back into B4, insert a checkbox like before, and now you're all set. As you toggle the checkbox, High will display or hide in cell C4 based on your action. Isn't it amazing how such a simple addition can expand your data management capabilities? The process of linking checkboxes with conditional displays using the IF function can transform how you interact with your data in Google Sheets. By mastering this technique, you'll not only keep your sheets tidy, but also ensure that only pertinent information is visible when needed. This skill can be particularly useful for presentations or scenarios where you want to interact dynamically with your data. And there you have it. That's a straightforward way to hide data using checkboxes in Google Sheets. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial makes your Google Sheets experience even more powerful. If you found this helpful, be sure to check out more content for additional tips and tricks.